In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video in CapCut PC. If you need to remove distracting edges from your footage or zoom in on a specific part of a screen recording, cropping is one of the quickest ways to clean things up and make your video look more focused. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this process very simple once you know where to click. To get started, look down at your timeline and find the video clip you want to edit. Click once directly on that clip so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to crop before the crop controls become useful. After your clip is selected, move your cursor up to the small toolbar located just above the timeline tracks. In that row of tools, find the crop icon. It looks like two overlapping square corners. Click it once and CapCut will immediately open a crop editing overlay right in the center of your workspace. Now you're inside the cropping view where you can choose exactly what part of the video you want to keep. You'll see your video surrounded by a grid along with adjustment handles around the edges. These handles let you resize the visible area of the clip. Click and hold one of the corner handles, then drag it inward. As you do this, the area outside the crop frame becomes darkened, which gives you a very clear visual guide of what will be removed from view. This makes it much easier to focus only on the content that matters. Take your time here and adjust the frame until your main subject, screen content, or key visual area fits neatly inside the bright crop box. If you're working with tutorials, spreadsheets, presentations, or recorded demonstrations, this is especially useful for removing unnecessary borders and keeping attention on the important part of the screen. A good tip is to make sure nothing essential is too close to the edge, so your final result still feels balanced and easy to watch. Once everything looks right, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the crop window and click the blue Confirm button. As soon as you do that, CapCut applies the crop and updates your main preview. You'll notice that the extra border space and distracting elements are gone, leaving you with a much cleaner, tighter view of your footage. And that's it. By selecting the clip, opening the crop tool, adjusting the corner handles, and confirming the result, you can crop a video in CapCut PC in just a few quick moves. You're all set. Done.